Recruitment may be defined as the process of searching for prospective employees or stimulating them to apply for job in an organization. Source of recruitment. There are two sources of recruitment. First one is internal source of recruitment and second one is external sources of recruitment. Now we will see the internal sources of recruitment. Internal sources refer to inviting candidates from within the organization. Types. There are two types of internal recruitment. The first one is transfer. It involves the shifting of an employee from one job to another, from one department to another, or from one shift to another shift. And the second one is promotions. It means placing an employee to a higher position, carrying higher responsibility, prestige, facilities, and pay. Now we will see the advantages of internal recruitment. The first one is employees are motivated to improve their performance. The second one is internal recruitment also simplifies the process of selecting and placement. Third one is no wastage of time on the employee training and development. The next point is filling the job internally is cheaper. But there are some limitations also. The first limitation is the scope of induction of fresh talent is reduced. The second is the employee may become lethargic. The third point is the spirit of competition among the employees may be hampered. And the fourth limitation is frequent transfer of employees may often reduce the productivity of the organization. Now we will learn something about external sources of recruitment. When the candidates from external sources are invited to fill the vacant job position, then it is known as external recruitment. The common methods of external sources of recruitment are: the first one is direct recruitment. Under the direct recruitment, a notice is put up on the notice board of the enterprise specifying the details of the job available. The second method, casual caller. Many reputed business organizations keep a database of unsolicited application in their office. This list can be scanned and best candidates is selected. The third point is advertisement. Advertisement media is used when a wide range of candidates to choice are required. Example: newspaper, internet, radio, television, etc. The fourth point is employment exchange. Employment exchange run by government is regarded as a good source of recruitment for unskilled and skilled operative jobs. The fifth point is placement agencies and management consultants. Placement agencies provides a nationwide service in matching personnel demand and supply. The sixth point is campus consultants. Campus recruitment means recruitment of candidates directly from management and technical institutions and universities. Labor contractors. Labor contractors maintain close contact with the laborers and they can provide the required number of unskilled workers at a short notice. The next point is advertising on television. The practice of telecasting of vacant posts over television is gaining importance these days. The ninth point is web publishing. There are certain websites especially designed and dedicated for the purpose of providing information about both job seekers and job openings. The next point is recommendation of employees. Applications Applicants introduced by present employees or their friends and relatives may prove to be good source of recruitment. Thank you.